Paschimeshwar Temple is a beautiful and ancient Shiv temple located in Odhapada village of Jharsuguda district, Odisha. It is one of the 8 sacred Shaiva of the district, also known as the Ashtasambhu. These temples are not just places of worship, but are believed to protect the area from the natural disasters and bring the peace, happiness, and prosperity to the people. This temple, over 400 years old, is situated near a large pond called Rani Bandh. The name Paschimeshwar comes from the temple's west-facing entrance. The devotees come here to touch the sacred Shivaling and feel a deep connection with God. The temple is surrounded by fascinating legends. One story says that while digging a channel to irrigate farmlands, the villagers found a blood oozing from the soil. That night, the Lord Shiva appeared in the village chief's dream and revealed that the spot was sacred. The digging was stopped. In a summer night, Buffalo brought a pot full of silver coins to its honor. The villager believed it was a gift from Lord Shiva to help build his temple. The king used the treasure to build his beautiful temple. These legends are still remembered by the villagers, and the temple continued to be a place of great faith and devotion. The Paschimeshwar temple is built in a unique and transitional style. The temple is 40 feet tall and made of stone, lime, and sand. It has a rectangular structure, 75 feet in length and 20 feet in width. The main sanctum, called the Garbhagriha, is 6 feet deep and place of sacred Shivalinga. To reach it, devotees have to descend a small staircase. The temple complex also has idols of Lord Hanuman and other deities. A newly built giant Hanuman statue on a nearby hillock adds to the grandeur of the site. A staircase has been built for visitors to climb the hillock easily. Lights has been installed on both the temple premises and the Hanuman statue, making nighttime visits a mesmerizing experience. Nearby, the Rani Bandh pond and the peaceful surrounds enhance the spiritual atmosphere of the temple. The Paschimeshwar temple is located about 40 kilometers from the Jharsuguda and is easily accessible by road. The regular buses are available from Jharsuguda bus station to Thermal. From the Thermal bus stop, you can hire an auto rickshaw to reach the temple conveniently. You can also reserve a private car or other vehicle to reach the temple quickly and comfortably. The journey is smooth and takes about an hour, making it an ideal spot for a peaceful day trip. The Paschimeshwar temple is not just a place of worship but a symbol of Jharsuguda's rich culture and historical heritage. Its legends, architecture, and the serene surrounds make it a must visit for devotees and history enthusiasts alike. Let's come together to protect and promote this sacred site for the future generation.